you clean yourself after using a bathroom when you're traveling or living in a country where bidets are not common? As we all know, that cleanliness is a very, very important aspect of our faith. And one of the ways that we maintain our cleanliness is that we wash ourselves with water after every trip to the bathroom. But what do we do when bidets are not a common thing in the country we're living? Like in New Zealand, in my case. Cleaning ourselves with toilet paper is just not enough. So we definitely need to find alternative ways we can wash up after using a bathroom. That's why it's always important to have a spare bottle with you, just for cleaning yourself when you are out and about, or even at home. All you have to do is fill it up with water and take it with you to the bathroom. Easy peasy. So next time you find yourself in a situation where a bidet is not available, do not panic. Just remember to have a spare bottle with you and you'll be able to maintain your cleanliness. Whenever I own my own house, inshallah, I'm definitely installing a bidet.